About a month ago, we tested a lot of wet-dry vacuums to find the best one for car detailing. During those tests, I noticed that the top two wet-dry vacs, the Vacmaster Beast and the Ridgid, had astonishing amounts of suction and airflow. And it got me thinking, how would these personal car detailing vacuums compare to the commercial car detailing vacuums that are typically seen in car washes around the country? Well, I took my anemometer and suction gauge to several locations to find out. Links in the description to all the vacuums I'll mention here, as well as the competition video I referenced earlier, and let's get started. So in the previous test, the Ridgid measured 209 CFM at the base and 141 CFM at the hose, with 54 inches of water lift, otherwise known as suction. And the Vacmaster Beast measured 190 CFM at the base and 154 at the hose, with 88 inches of suction. If you're wondering about how the Ridgid had less power than the Vacmaster at the hose, even though it had more power at the base, it's because it had a longer hose by 1 foot, and a longer distance for the air to travel means reduced airflow at the hose. To give you an idea of why I was so impressed with those numbers, the highest airflow I've ever measured on a regular vacuum is with the Kirby Avalier 2, which was 132 CFM at the cleaner head. But that's far from typical. The new Shark Apex Zero M and the Dyson Multifloor 2 are well above average at 90 CFM and 80 CFM respectively, with the average vacuum getting about 50 to 60 CFM. So yeah, the Ridgid and the Vacmaster Beast are some seriously powerful little vacuums. As for the commercial vacuums, I tested two different types. One was fairly typical, but the other one I found had an option to supercharge it by using 3 motors instead of 2 for an extra charge. And though I don't know for sure, I'm guessing it represents the max power you're likely to find with any commercial car detailing vacuum in this type of setting. So with the average professional vacuum, we measured 137 CFM at the hose with 74 inches of suction. And with the supercharged 3-motor commercial vacuum, we measured 156 CFM at the hose and 77 inches of suction. All that to say that the winner of our previous competition, the Vacmaster Beast 5.5 horsepower, had more suction and basically the same airflow as the most powerful 3-motor commercial vacuum I could find. And the Ridgid had more airflow than the average commercial car vacuum, though it was lacking a bit in the suction department. So I guess the takeaway is that if you think getting your own portable wet-dry vacuum for car detailing is a step down from the commercial vacuums, it's really not, especially if you're using one of these two, but especially with the Vacmaster Beast. Consider a like or a subscription to Vacuum Wars if this video helped you out. Links in the description, and thanks for watching.